Theorem-XR provides out-of-the-box experiences for visualization, design review, factory layout, guides, visual digital twin, and the visualization pipeline. These experiences are data and device agnostic, so you only need to prepare your data once. Then you can use it across experiences and devices. This enables you to leverage the benefits of your CAD and PLM assets in augmented, mixed, or virtual reality. They allow that data to be combined with data from other systems, such as CRM, ERP, MES, and legacy systems to add further value. All experiences can be used collaboratively, enabling engineers working from home, across sites, or across the globe to interact with their data, to make design and manufacturing decisions, cutting out travel costs and enabling quicker turnaround of product development and assembly. The foundation for Theorem-XR, which delivers 2D and 3D content to the experiences, is the visualization pipeline. This is an enterprise-level and fully automated solution to take your 3D CAD assets and metadata and create content for use in Theorem's own experiences, or for use by your own development teams in Unity and Unreal. The visualization pipeline enables a CAD user to just save as directly from CAD. Non-CAD users can just drag and drop files, and for very high volume use, the pipeline can be integrated into PLM to manage and drive the process of creating rich XR content. It includes fully automated processes to optimize the data. This ensures it provides high-quality, high-performance 3D content for XR. All processes are fully configurable and automated. There is no manual intervention required. The visualization pipeline can be installed on the cloud or on-premise. Engineering companies have a major 3D asset, their CAD data. The visualization experience enables engineers to see their product, 3D CAD assets, at full scale and in context, and be immersed in it. CAD cannot do that. The CAD user is looking at their 3D data through a 2D device. It's not at scale or in context. The visualization experience provides the essential tools to view, navigate, explode, and section and measure, in addition to displaying metadata. The design review experience enables groups of engineers wherever they're located to come together in an immersive review session to collaboratively review a design milestone. All participants see the model at full scale and in context. The session lead and all participants can discuss and view the specific items which are the focus of the review. They see the same data in real time as it's manipulated and interrogated. As the review settles on the issues, they can be captured in text, a picture or video and saved to create a formal record of issues and agreed actions for later review by staff who were unable to attend the live session. Following the live session, the saved data can be reviewed by staff unable to participate. They can play all comments from the live session, see the issues and model data, and add further comments themselves, save it and distribute it for review by the team. The factory layout experience provides a full-scale and in-context environment for defining, reviewing, editing, and validating shop floor layouts. This can be done collaboratively with colleagues in different offices or countries. Creating new layouts can be expensive and disruptive, especially when factories must shut down. When planning and making changes, it's therefore essential to get it right first time. Engineers need to evaluate existing layouts and see the impact of proposed changes, such as the introduction of a new line or workstation. Human-centered operations can be analyzed using mannequins to test access and operational aspects of a process. The factory layout experience addresses all of these requirements. Guides experience addresses two requirements. It enables a user to create training materials and work instructions. Secondly, it enables a frontline worker to be trained on a step-by-step basis, using mixed or virtual reality. In mixed reality, it guides an experienced worker during a complex product build process. The guide's authoring stage enables a user to create and merge 2D content and 3D content to be used in mixed or virtual reality, and can be combined with photos and videos to further aid the frontline worker. Guide's operator is a mixed or virtual reality experience, which plays the authored instruction in the headset and step by step takes the operator through the process. The visual digital twin enables a frontline worker to see a rich 3D digital representation of a product overlaid on top of the physical item, and can display related 2D text as well. This makes the job of understanding what needs doing on the physical very easy to execute. The digital data can be displayed using a laptop, mobile phone, or mixed reality headset. As well as displaying the visual twin, the experience enables it to be snapped to and correctly aligned to the physical item. That means that a user looking at the physical has the digital 3D image correctly overlaid and orientated. The visual digital twin improves product and process understanding by seeing 3D data overlaid on top of the physical. For more information, please contact us at www.theorem.com.